All right, guys, for this experiment, we're gonna need Diet Coke and some mint Mentos. And this is called the Mentos in Coke experiment. So this is a messy experiment. So you're gonna wanna do this in a place where you won't care if it gets messy. So all you're gonna do is put the Coke bottle down on a flat surface and then just pour in your Mentos. Oh!
Put him in, put him in. Wow, that was a really cool reaction. So now let me explain to you why it happens the way it does. In this reaction, the Mentos are able to help the gas, the carbon dioxide gas in the used for carbonation in the Diet Coke undergo nucleation. Nucleation is when bubbles form on the surface of the Mentos, and during this process, bubbles will actually come out of the Diet Coke, and the Diet Coke will no longer be carbonated. These bubbles dissolve out. These are technically carbon dioxide gas, and it works really well in Diet Coke. But if you try it with regular Coke, it won't work as well. The reason for this is because in Diet Coke there's a lot of artificial sweeteners, which are solutes, which means that they dissolve as solids. That means that there's less space between the bubbles to clump together in the actual Diet Coke. This means the bubbles will be smaller, and thus the fountain will be much higher and shoot up much higher and be more explosive. Yeah, but the Mentos and Diet Coke is a really cool experiment, and I hope you guys learned a little something. So now let me pass it on to Vishal for the application.
Hey guys, so now that you've seen the experiment and you know the science behind it, I'll talk to you about the real-world applications of a physical reaction. Now, a physical reaction is one that only the physical aspects of the reaction change, not the chemical makeup. And we can see this when you boil water, since the H2O molecules turn from liquid to gas, but the actual molecules still remain H2O molecules. We can also see it in the opposite, when dry ice sublimates, which means it goes straight from a solid to a gas, and even though we're skipping this step of going to a liquid and then to a gas, we're still only changing the physical aspect of the ice, thus making it a physical reaction. Shredding paper, chopping wood, breaking glass are also still physical reactions, because all you're doing is changing the physical shape and not the chemical makeup. Physical reactions can also often be reversed, but not all the time. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope you have a good day.